Incredible finish to that match. Across the deck for the Tanpan.
Love to get a Chris Barnes prediction.
Here we go. 10-frame roll-off underway. Tap on the 10. And down it goes. Oh,
Going into game 2.
Wow. Nice pickup. Good spare. That was sweet. That's our hammer. Tough spare replay of the day, Randy. No question.
Well, it was a great pickup and sliding the 3 into the 4. This is like shooting the baby split, really. You just catch a piece of the 3-pin. The man from Quebec, Patrick Girard.
Been nice. I jinxed it there, man.
You clouded him.
I did.
You know?
I did.
I'm usually the guy that does that.
I clouded up and rained all over
You
his
clouded him.
Yeah. All right.
3-9-10.
Survey says. Got it. Magnificent shot.
Yeah, it was.
Speaking of somebody who was perfect last night,